Hey everyone, welcome back to Aurora Lighting and Supplies YouTube channel. We are going to be unboxing a fixture today. So, as you can probably tell, I have numerous fixtures. And I think we just start off, just grab one here and let's get started. So we got the Artika Artemis. It is a square style chandelier that hangs down. It is CCT, meaning you can change the color temperature from 3 to 4 to 5000 K. What you see above me is 4000 K, so it's more of a cool white versus warm white. Most incandescent bulbs are 25 to 2700 K. So 3000 K would be the closest to like an incandescent style light you could get. But we're gonna set this down and we'll get unboxing. As you can tell, this is a fairly big fixture. This comes in a decent sized box. It's black, so the any color on it is in black. This is black and it's a chandelier, so it's adjustable in height. Cut open the this way you guys know what you would get when you buy it. Spin it around so you can see. So you open it up, get your nice first peek through the corner here. And as you get your constructions and card to follow Artika on their Facebook and their Instagram. Pop open the cardboard here. And very simple packaging, very minimal waste. But as you can tell, it is a square, but it is twisted a little bit. So it gives it a really cool effect. And that way you don't get as much of a flat plain look. It is more modern than that. But if you look at it from here, it is square. But if you look at it from here, it is twisted. So it gives a really cool look. And that's all that there is to it. You get your fixture, which you would just put down, and then here's your canopy. So if we cut open the tape on this guy, here is your canopy. So all you do, unscrew your two screws, one on either side. This plate gets mounted to the ceiling on your octagon box. And you would have your, let's open it up. Like a good electrician, sucker for Klein tools. So, you take these two screws out. One there. One here. This plate would just get mounted to the ceiling with the tabs hanging down. So just two screws through there and there onto your ceiling. Then it's got a safety chain here, so you can just clip this on. That'll hold everything up. You connect your ground wire to your ground. So this would get attached to here. So you got your plate. You just attach your safety chain to it. That will support the entire fixture while you do your splice hookups. side for now. So once that would be hooked up, out of your way, you have your ground wire goes to your ground, and you've got your black and white. You hook it up to your black and white. Then here you just have your selector switch. So as you can see, it is marked here 3000K, 4000K, 5000K. So all the way left is 3000, the middle is 4000, all the way right is 5000. So you just set it to how you want. Then you would put this, fold everything into the junction box, put everything back together like so, and put your screws back in. Just like so, you would have a completed fixture ready to turn on. Those would be all tucked into your boxes, and it would be flush against the ceiling. Now the perk about these, after you get it hooked up, you can adjust it to the height you want. So you would just push it in and it stays adjusted. You can't pull it back out. If you need to pull it back down, you just push it up, push the little nipple back in, and pull it back down. Release, and it's tight. Super simple, and it's a quick, easy way to add a touch of modern ability to your house and some very good light. Now, I would put this type of light, I would put it either in your stairwell, so over your stairs, going up and down the stairs, over top of your table, or even in a 2-story, a higher great room, or a story and a half, anywhere that you could do a hanging fixture and not feel like you're going to hit your head on it. But it would look good even in a master bedroom with a little bit more height in the master bedroom or anything like that. It would look fantastic anywhere. And here's what it looks like on. So we've got it on, shining down onto your table. And you would just, before you put it all the way up, this is 5000K, that's 4000K, and that's 3000K. So you can see the 3000 is a lot more yellow than it is white. That's all there is to it. Simple, easy, and gorgeous. So thanks for checking out this unboxing video. Anything else you would like to see an unboxing of, just let me know. I've got quite a few different style fixtures here. A bunch of them are the same. Like we've got a whole bunch of semi-flushes, different styles of semi-flushes, some more pendants, or another chandelier, some pendant lights, some outside lights. We've got some other semi-flushes, some bathroom bars, 2 different types of bathroom bars, another type, this is another type of chandelier, or we've got security lights, puck lights, pot lights. We've got a bit of anything for anybody who's looking for some fixtures to really help increase the efficiency and style of their house.